Hello students. Today we're discussing about new topic respiration. The chapter is life process. What is respiration? See, food is a fuel for life process. But because of food only give the energy to us. Yes or no? Yeah. It is a burnt by the process of respiration to release energy. Yes or no? Food only it give release of energy. Ne. The entire process of respiration takes place in 5 steps. Means how the release of energy. The first step is taking in oxygen. Why? Because of oxygen only it give energy to us. How? Second step, reaction of oxygen with food molecules like glucose in the cell. See, means when taking off oxygen, these oxygen mix with food molecules. What is the food here? Glucose. So the oxygen mix with the glucose or food and release energy in the cell. Third step, oxidation of food molecules leading to combustion. What is a combustion? Burn means what is a combustion means burn of food means when taking off oxygen, these oxygen mix with the food molecules. So when oxygen mix with food materials, we call combustion. Nothing but we call burn. When the food is combustion, it releases the energy. Fourth step, release of energy and its storage in the form of ATP in the cell. Means so the oxygen is mixed with the food molecules. Nothing but we call combustion. After combustion, the release of energy. The energy is storage. Which form? ATP. Where? In the cell. Last step. So after release of energy, elimination of waste products like carbon dioxide and water by breaking out. ఎలా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది? See here, combustion means burn. So after combustion, release of energy means nothing but we call ATP. After ATP, the elimination of waste products like carbon dioxide and water. So EV 5 steps. Next, differentiate between breathing and respiration. What is the difference between breathing and respiration? See, what is the breathing? It is a constant process where we breathe in and out constantly. So, exchange of gases, taking off oxygen and release the carbon dioxide, we call breathing. Then, what is the respiration? It is a process where the cells break down oxygen. So, breathing and taking off oxygen, these oxygen is the breakdown in a cell, that is called respiration. See, it is a physical process, means with the help of nose, we exchange of gases, right? It is a physical, but respiration, it is a chemical process. Why? Because of taking off oxygen, the oxygen goes to inside the cell. So inside the cell means the breaking of glucose. So it is a chemical process. See, it takes in oxygen. Take in oxygen, that is called breathing. It give out oxygen. Next point, it is a process of exchange of gases between cells. Means when taking off oxygen, the oxygen goes to lungs. Means in cells, cell to cell. So the oxygen goes to cell. So it is a process of exchange of gases between cells. But in respiration, it takes place in the cell, means inside the cell. Why? Because of it is a chemical process, because of breakdown of oxygen and release the energy. So that's why it takes place in the cell. So we call cellular respiration. So breathing, it has two process. One is a ventilation and exchange of gas. So respiration, it has only one process, that is the oxidation. Already we discussed about the before one. Because of what is oxidation? Because of the oxygen mixed with food molecules. What is the food here? Glucose. So the oxygen mixed with the food materials we call oxidation. That is the respiration. Last point, it can be controlled. Why? Because of the so what is the breathing here mean? It is a constant process where we breathe in food and out constantly. Why? Because of the help of nose we exchange of gases, that's why it can be controlled. But respiration, it cannot be controlled. Why? Because of once the oxygen to reach the cell, they going on to the combustion, means breakdown of oxygen, that's why it cannot be controlled. So that is the breathing and respiration.